Alright guys, I've been doing a lot of welding and cutting and stuff, and I haven't made a video in a week, so I was going to show you where I'm at. I worked my ass off all weekend on this, and so the whole gantry is finished and working, and I've been working on the frame. I don't know how good this is going to show up, but both sides are going to be like this. Let me get a better view. So you got the thicker one, and then a support beam down to the front, and then a big thick support beam there. And I know it looks really rough right now, but I've been working on this thing all day. It'll be cleaned up and painted before it's done. And then each corner is going to get this a cross beam like that, and this one's got it, and I'm working on this side now. So, and these rails, I'm going to do some work to the bottom, but I'm going to do the bottom last. But I'm going to add some more support to the bottom and to these so when you press down on them, there's no flex. So I'm going to add some stuff to the bottom, but right now I'm working on these, and once these are like perfectly square as they could get. And I had the gantry mocked up with the bed on the things, and I chucked in a laser into the spindle, and it was as square as it could possibly be. So yeah, I've been putting some work into this, and that's why it's taking so long. I put a lot of effort into figuring out how to square it, how to keep it square, because you know, once you weld it and then it wants to move on you, so you got to weld it, check it, cut the weld if you have to, you know, do whatever you got to do to get it square. And so it's been a learning process, and I'm not that good of a welder, so that's what's been taking a lot of time. My welds are ugly, but they hold really good. So but I'm getting better as I go. So yeah, the cross piece will go across, and you know, I already got a hole drilled to where I can just put a bolt in there and mock it up. But I'm gonna wait until I get these arms welded in place before I welded those, because I was having some issues with it leaning a little bit. So I got it back in, this one back in square, and yeah, I'm working on it. Ain't a whole lot I can say. It's coming together though, and it's gonna be strong. I mean, this is a lot of metal. I mean, it's gonna be sturdy, man. So yeah, it's hard to really put into words how much work I put into this damn thing. Holy shit! I put in about 6-7 hours each day, this Saturday and today, Sunday, and this is all I got is one of these old arc welders. So yeah, it's getting there. I got the last couple angle brackets cut. This will go in here like that, and I got the other one cut for the other side. And then I got this piece I just got done cutting. This piece will go, let's see, how does this go? It's gonna go like that. So yeah, just want to give you an update. All right, later.